The inimitable girl of the valley. Indeed, you represent the interlocking spouse of your beautiful typography. Your geographical features indeed remind me of the Rift Valley formation. Indeed, you are the apple of my eye. You unravel the mysteries of my heart like no other woman I see.
I love this.
What I'm simply telling you is that indeed without you I'm incomplete. You are a wonderful person of my emotional well-being. Your hair is indeed the smartest of your attributes. You have eyes that stare into my soul. You remind me of a fireworks display in Spain. I have not seen anything as beautiful as you. Because indeed you are the epitome of beauty, splendor, style, elegance, and indeed your love that you clobber me with is part of my diet, without which I would be malnourished terribly. I thank you for completing my diet. You are a co-ingredient of my life.
My diet.
Because you not only compliment me, but indeed make me feel special. Of all the things that I do, loving you is the most important of my duties.
Mapenzi matamu from the lakeside.
Utakora ukiigini shiwana ndakwirire uhoro ucio. Otire ciugo nyingi. Yes. Kenegua wagitha kana ta bomb. Uhoro ucio gathire na hau. That is a serious compliment. Kenegitha kata bomb. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but we love our Kikuyu men.
We are wonderful people. No, we are very rare.
40 by 8.
Rarer than rare. Oh yes. Yo to kwĩra atirĩrĩ. Ndũtigo kwenda tũkwendete to kwĩra atirĩrĩ. Nĩndĩronire kũringana na ũrĩa ũthiĩte rĩ. Nĩkũgũrĩra karori no ũthũkũmange. That is love with action.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Tociugo.
Ndio. Ongeiga handi we harĩa memburi rĩ. Na he nyũmba tũraneyo rĩ. Hiĩ wega mũno. Nyina wa wanja.
Na atire darling. Sweet love. Gũkũ nĩ gwa kameme kayũ ka mũingĩ tũkĩga